Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. My name is Patience and I live in Sweden. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. I love you all. Today we are making a very healthy breakfast recipe. You can use this even for your children lunch boxes, guys. This tastes really good and it is also very healthy. I use bread and banana for this recipe and also eggs. So let's go and see how we make this recipe. Guys, for this recipe I'll be using 2 bananas. This is me peeling the bananas and I'm going to slice them in smaller sizes for the recipe. You can make them bigger if you want, but I think this is the right size for this recipe, guys. So I will just slice them into pieces and I'll be using 3 bread for this recipe, but if you have a big family, you can use more. So I'm going to slice the bread, the inner part of the bread out of the bread because I'll be using mostly the inner part of it. So I'll create space to put the eggs inside. So that's what I'm actually doing right now. So use a roller to flatten the bread so that it will fit when you are making the recipe. We'll also need parsley for this recipe, and this is me chopping it into smaller sizes. Here I'll need 3 medium-sized eggs, garlic powder, black pepper, a little salt, parsley, and then I'll just mix this together until it's even. Guys, eggs are also a great source of heart healthy nutrients like potassium, folate, and B vitamins. Some research even suggest that up to 2 eggs per day actually improve heart health. In a hot pan, I'm going to be using butter. I put some butter and just let it melt. Then I put the bread and fill it with bananas, the sliced banana that we made earlier, and then put the mixed eggs inside, and then cover it with the bread that we flattened, remember? So after like 3 minutes of cooking in low heat, you flip it and take it out. Now I'm using oil. At first I used butter and now I'm also using oil for this recipe, and then filling it exactly with the bananas, then put the egg and cover it with the bread. So this is me just repeating the process again for the 3rd time, and our recipe is ready, guys. Let's serve this. Adding some chopped parsley for garnishing to make it look green and beautiful. It actually looked like a sandwich and it looks really delicious, and this is really a good source of healthy breakfast for everyone that want to try this at home. You can even use this for your kids lunch boxes. And guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment, let me know how it turned out if you try this at home.